Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write LinkedIn posts that actually engage in 2025. So whether you are growing your personal brand or promoting your business, these steps will help you create posts people want to read, comment on and share. So in the first step, you will have to start with a strong hook. Your first two lines decide if people stop scrolling. So you can use a bold statement, a relatable question, or a quick fact. For example, like you can say something like most of the LinkedIn posts fail because they sounds like ads or not conversations. So this hook should spark the curiosity instantly. In this step 2, you can tell a story or share an insight. People connect with the real experiences more than the pitches. So you can share a short story, something that you have learned, you have achieved, or even failed at. You can keep it human and not formal. A natural tone always wins on LinkedIn in 2025. Now, in the third step, you need to basically, once you have told your story, you need to give your audience something to take away. Then you can add a quick lesson, a list of tips, or one strong insight they can apply. So this turns your post from interesting into useful. You can also break your text into the small lines and not in the longer paragraphs. Then you can use the simple language, avoid jargon, and add white space for more clarity. Your last line should also invite the engagement. You can add any of the simple questions. And for all these steps, the best part is that you can use ChatGPT. You can give all of these 5 points here in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can create or write a good LinkedIn post for you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.